Well, YouTubers, followers, and anybody else that comes across this. Today is a milestone for me. The '09 Sierra. It has been having the classic electrical problems. No start. Finally found it today. 3+ years chasing wires, grounds, every other buddy's videos online say check this, look at this, and I'm holding it in my hand. That's the fucking heat shield. Oop, frickin'. It was grounding to the heat shield. 3+ years. The wife calling me, I'm stranded in Walmart parking lot. It won't start. And it just starts out of nowhere. So many speculations. It's the starter, it's the battery, it's the wires, it's the grounds, it's the auto start. I've heard it all. I've chased it all. Go to your starter and you pull this little bastard off. Oop, my son of a gun. And try it. Because I have not found one other video that says it's freaking grounding to the heat shield. 3 years, 3+ years of no starting up out of nowhere. It's because it's hot, it's because it's cold, it's because of this, it's because of that. It's the heat shield. I lost my mind when I found this out. I broke down. It was emotional. I can't even explain how much I've frustrated over this. I'm telling you, it's the heat shield. It's the galldarn effing heat shield on your starter. Take it off. Try it. Leave me a comment if it made a difference, because I think I'm the only one that has it's the heat shield grounding to the frickin' block video. Have a good day.